These are gluten, nut-free, and vegan chocolate chip cookies. Soft inside and slightly crispy outside, this treat is for all the people who wants to avoid gluten and animal products. If you want to know how I made this recipe, just keep watching. I start by chopping 3 ounces of dark chocolate. I chop it in a coarse way to create small to medium size chunks. In a bowl I had half a cup of rice flour and a tablespoon of potato flour. The potato flour is basically dehydrated potatoes finely milled. Then I had 4 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and finally a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. I add the chocolate chunks and then I mix all the dry ingredients together. Now I add the wet ingredients. I add 1 teaspoon of orange essence, half a tablespoon of olive oil, and half a teaspoon of vanilla paste. You can use vanilla essence if you cannot find the vanilla paste. Now I add 1/3 of a cup plus 2 tablespoons of water. First I add the cup of water and mix the ingredients together so all the aromas that I previously added start to combine. Then I add the last 2 tablespoons to finish all the mixture. When you have a wet consistency that it's workable but it's not runny, your dough is ready. I cover with plastic film and I set in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I scoop the dough with a tool for the ice cream and place it on the baking tray. I try to keep a good distance from one cookie to another so they can bake evenly. I flat them with a spatula to make them as even as possible, and then I am going to bake them at 375 for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. When the time is up, I remove them from the oven, let them completely cool down, and I finish baking the rest of them. And this was my take on the gluten-free and vegan chocolate chip cookies. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.